Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to fix the TikTok button missing, TikTok repost button missing. So to do that, let's head over to TikTok first. Let's see. As you can see, this is a video in TikTok. I'm heading over to the share icon, and here you will find the repost option in here so that you can repost. Let me see if I have that. So as you can see, I have this repost option in here, but if you don't have, you can just follow several fixes. The first one is you can try to remove the cache of your TikTok by heading over to the info icon on the top right. And also there, just head over to storage and then clear the cache. And after that, just head over to TikTok and see if the problem still is going on. If this is going on, then just head over to your profile. Now go to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to your settings and privacy. Now scroll down and go to report a problem. And here go to creation, or go to interaction, go to share. Now go to I can't share videos. Here tap on no and go to need more help. Now here in the support section, just select interaction. Now tap on post. As you can see, you can't find this option in here. So what you will do is just to message TikTok like, I don't have repost option in my TikTok, and ask them to enable it. And send it to them. And here they're saying if the repost option is missing, try the following steps. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear the app's video cache, and restore both app and your device. So try these three options so that you can just solve the issue, and hopefully it will solve the problem. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.